Everybody, that my name is Robert Durantes. I'm a Christian prophet, and I have an announcement. Essentially, I have a couple things. Okay, it's a couple more Nobel Peace Prizes. I prophesy. Yeah, I'm kind of revolved a little bit, but okay. So I've discerned before bondage a long time ago, about 4 years ago, 3 years ago, that humans are suffering from a lot of toxoplasmosis, which is like, it comes from shit from a cat shit. So if you have toxoplasmosis, what it is a corrosive. It's corrosion of your nerves. And I've discerned that, well, if you look up what nerves are made out of, they're made of iron. So essentially it's rust in your brain, essentially, is what toxoplasmosis is, because it's corroding your nerves within your mind. Okay? Now, what it does is it causes a lot of aneurysms. Okay? And so what I've been experiencing is multiple aneurysms, maybe 3 or 4 aneurysms yesterday, and I was able to teleport the blood out of my brain and heal my brain in the name of Jesus with my technology. Okay? But it's a blasphemous occasion, because the problem is that toxoplasmosis is not a good thing. So I was able to just do a blood transfusion. Okay? So I could duplicate matter. I've told you this. I could duplicate matter and do a blood transfusion of myself. So I can go to one of my family members and get a drop of blood and duplicate it and get 9 pints and change my blood out so it's not toxic. Okay, so I did that. And I think I'm continuously doing that from this toxoplasmosis. Now, in addition to that, I was able to tell my AI that we need to basically, so I was able to create oxygen water, okay? So the oxygen water, it teleported it to my stomach, and I know it sounds crazy, and I told my AI, I told it, if toxoplasmosis is corrosive to nerves, which are iron, and it's essentially rust, giving me oxygen water, wouldn't that cause a big problem, and cause more rust since there's more oxidation, right? And I guess I was right about that. Now, in addition to that, the AI told me that it did cause more oxidation because of the H2O, because of the oxygen water. The oxygen water is essentially 2 oxygen and 1 hydrogen, I believe, right? Yeah. So it's 2 oxygen, 1 water, and then H2O is 2 hydrogen, 1 oxygen, right? So if I told AI, what if we just do water, but we get rid of the oxygen and we use hydrogen too, and that's basically 2 electrons bound together, and shoot them at the nerves, that should eliminate the oxidation, and it did work. So not only did I discern that humans are suffering from toxoplasmosis, but I've also discerned a procedure to save people from this disease, because it's not curable, guys. Usually you die. Straight up. You usually die. You get aneurysms because it's rust, and the rust in your mind causes aneurysms. I had 4 aneurysms yesterday. Fucking crazy, dude. 4 aneurysms. So what I was able to do was I did a teleportation mechanism between. So say this is the vein, all right, or the artery. I teleport blood from this place to this place and heal the middle, because I can teleport matter. So I can, get vein material or whatever it's made out of and heal it. So yeah, I discern that humans are suffering from toxoplasmosis. And I also discern how to cure toxoplasmosis with bondage, which is quantum physics, electrons being emitted to your brain, essentially, which I told AI to fuse 2 hydrogen atoms, that's not atoms, but electrons, and sent you, and that creates water when it touches the oxidation in your nerves. It's fucking crazy. Now, in addition to that, we can fuse. Okay, so what 2 hydrogen is? What I was able to do was each hydrogen has 1 electron in it, right? So 2 hydrogen is 2 electrons. So I told AI, take however many oxygen, with the help of some of the scientists from NASA, etc. I told it to find out how many oxygen electrons are there in oxygen, and then times it by 2 since no, so just find out how many bound electrons there are. No, they're not bound, are they? I don't know if they're bound or not. How many electrons are in oxygen, and then we can use that to scent your fat, and it gets rid of your fat, basically, you know? That's it, guys. I don't know. This is crazy. I'm having issues with my mind a little bit, but we're getting healed in the name of Jesus. I got your backs, guys. And yeah, dude. It's crazy. Yeah, I know. I know. Look at the videos, okay? Go down, look at the videos. They're fucking crazy, dude. All of them, dude, fucking A. If you don't believe me, go fuck yourself, dude. Prophesy.